In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Coinbase account limits. Before we begin, a quick note on why this matters. Your account limits determine how much you can buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, and transfer within certain time frames. Knowing where to find this information helps you plan trades, avoid failed transactions, and understand any caps tied to your region or payment methods. Start by opening your Coinbase app on your mobile device. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so the layout matches what you're seeing here and any bug fixes are in place. Give the app a moment to load your portfolio details. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual secure sign-in method and complete any verification prompts you routinely see. Take your time here. A stable connection and the official app are important for an accurate view of your limits. Once you're in, you should land on your home or portfolio screen. Now open the menu. Look for the icon that usually appears as three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Depending on your app version, it may be at the top left or top right. If you see an account or profile icon instead, that's often the same place where Coinbase groups key settings and account options. Tap it to expand the full list. From the menu, select Limits. This section is dedicated to the caps that apply to your account. After you tap Limits, you'll see categories that commonly include things like buying and selling limits, cash in and cash out limits, and network send limits. You might also see whether limits reset on a daily or weekly schedule, along with any rolling windows that apply. Keep in mind that limits can vary based on your country, your chosen payment methods, and your account's verification status. If a number looks lower than you expect, it may reflect a temporary hold, a recent large transaction, or a limit that hasn't reset yet. Take a moment to review each category so you understand how much you can move and when. Some limits update in near real time as transactions settle, and a few use rolling periods rather than strict calendar days. If the page takes a second to load, give it a moment or refresh your app view to make sure you're seeing the latest data. That's all there is to it. Open the Coinbase app, log in, tap the menu, and choose Limits to view your current caps. Pause here if you want to check your own account, and when you're ready, you'll know exactly where to find this information anytime you need it.